Escape from Tarkov, crashing after August 1.1 update. 1. Clear launcher cache and temp files. Open the Battlestate Games launcher. Open launcher settings. Use the option to clear temporary files cache. Restart the launcher. Launch Escape from Tarkov again. This is one of the fixes players reported working after the 1.1 update. Number 2, delete the EFT local low folder, press Win R. Type sent user profiles app data local low, press enter. Find the Battlestate Games EFT folder, back up the folder first, remove the EFT folder, start the launcher again, launch the game. Players specifically reported this helping with startup crashes after 1.1. Habit 3, verify game files. Open the Battlestate Games launcher, find Escape from Tarkov. Open the game settings. Select the Integrity File Verification option. Wait for the process to finish. Restart the launcher. Number 4, update or roll back your GPU. Install the latest stable NVIDIA AMD driver. Use clean installation if available. Restart Windows. Test Tarkov again. If the crashes began immediately after a driver update, testing a previously stable driver can also be worthwhile. Recent player reports have linked some post 1.1 crashes to GPU driver cache issues. Number 5, run the launcher as administrator. Close Battlestate Games launcher. Right-click the launcher, select Run as Administrator. Launch Escape from Tarkov. Test whether the crash continues. Players reported this resolving some post-update launch problems. Number 6, disable overlays and monitoring tools. Temporarily disable Discord overlay, NVIDIA AMD overlay, Xbox Game Bar, MSI Afterburner, Rivatuner recording software, then restart Tarkov and test again. Number 7, reset graphics settings. Launch Tarkov if possible. Set graphics options to default. Disable unnecessary overlays and advanced effects. Set a reasonable FPS limit. Restart the game. Increase settings gradually after confirming stability. Number 8, check RAM and virtual memory. Make sure Windows has sufficient free disk space. Keep the Windows page file enabled. Avoid manually setting an unusually small page file size. Close unnecessary applications before launching Tarkov. Monitor RAM usage during raids. Memory-related crashes have been reported alongside the update issues. Number 9, test without hardware overclocking. Return CPU settings to default. Return GPU settings to default. Temporarily disable RAM overclocking such as Expo, XMP. Test Tarkov again. This is especially important if the entire PC freezes, blacks out, or restarts, rather than Tarkov simply closing. Recent reports describe full system crashes after 1.1. 10, check Event Viewer. Press Win X. Open Event Viewer. Go to Windows Log System. Check errors recorded at the exact crash time. Also check Windows Log's Application. Look for GPU driver, memory, or application errors. Number 11, test different maps or modes. Test a short offline raid. Test another map. Test Scav and PMC separately. If the crash happens only on one map or mode, note the exact location and circumstances. Players have reported crashes concentrated around specific maps and situations since the update. Number 12, reinstall as a last resort. Uninstall Escape from Tarkov, restart Windows. Reinstall the launcher/game. Clear the launcher cache. Verify the installation. Launch the game using default settings. Important. There are genuine reports of spontaneous crashes and performance problems beginning after the 1.110.0 update, so a clean reinstall is not guaranteed.